understanding your client acquisition cost, right? Understanding what tools you use today to onboard your clients and what the total costs are to acquire a customer, okay? So understanding why that's important, again, we want to make sure that you have great insight into not just your profitability, but also your margins, all right? So understanding that is important as a business owner and a business leader to help determine how much more you can make on not just your new clients, but also your recurring existing install base, right? Tracking your new client costs, all right? Everyone's got their own common tool set that they use to deploy their sites, but are you really paying more than you should? So talking about all the different tools that are typically used commonly for deploying new sites, right? So things like SSL, backups, caching, the site monitoring and the uptime tools, right? Reporting tools for site summary details. How else are your clients going to know what you're doing on their site, right? Giving them more visibility into what's going on with their blog. Let's say they get new comments and you want to deliver a weekly report or a monthly report, right? You've got that capability, especially over here at LiquidWeb. CDN, also an additional cost, right? So for your larger sites and heavier traffic sites, especially those with a global reach, CDN is super critical, right? Also things, if you have a lot of blogs, anti-spam for comments, okay? There's obviously free tools that are out there. On a more commercial scale, you're looking at least spending $5 a piece per site for chopping down on anti-spam, okay? This chart over on the right breaks down a common breakdown of some of the more common costs, right, when it comes to maintaining or running a WordPress site, okay? So about a quarter of that is expected to be your hosting, okay? Look at what else eats into your margins, right? So costs like plugin renewals, right? Spending on security, that's a huge markup, right? Security is super important. And I think also if you spend as much as you do in hosting on security, right, you're already off to a right start with helping enhance your applications even further. Also things like new plugins and little theme changes, okay? All those things tend to add up, right? But where do you go to help track all that and more importantly, control it, okay? So how to improve your client acquisition costs, all right? Let's explore your options and look at other inclusive bundles that'll help streamline your process, all right? So not only will improved tool sets help you guys out, all right? Fixed, predictable acquisition costs help our development partners, our marketing agencies to track the revenue and to be able to truly deliver on the value so that they have a clear understanding of how much they're making on their end, right? And how much that they can control costs for their customers, all right? Focusing on client value. This is a big one, all right? By enhancing the overall service or offering that you guys deliver to your clients, you will be in a greater position to capitalize on the platform and the product improvements that you can deliver to your clients, all right? That also sets you up for a longer, more consistent customer lifetime value, okay? This makes you a lot more sticky with your customers as well, guys. So the more that you can deliver to them, the harder it is for them to break up with you. And then last, trying to help improve your client acquisition costs, investigate partnerships, guys, right? If you're a one-man shop, let's say you only focus on development, look at partnering with another agency that does marketing, right? You can greatly offset your costs if you can partner, and especially with your vendors, right, such as your host, hint, hint. If you haven't looked into partner programs, don't do yourself a disservice, right? Explore them. They may be free like ours, and we offer a ton of great resources for our partners as well, not just in additional technical tool sets, but also content and marketing resources, okay? Now, further on enhancing lifetime value, right? We want to make sure that you're able to monetize your customers for not just recurring revenue, right, but increased steady margins. That's great for laying down a solid foundation for your own revenue, okay? So how else are you going to expect to be able to build on that if you don't look at the overall monetization of your customers, right? Optimizing your onboarding process, right? Faster site onboarding. If you're running your WordPress sites manually today on cPanel or Plesk, take a look at what else is out there to help deploy your sites faster. There's faster solutions out there. We have managed WordPress solution that'll deploy a site with SSL installed, caching already configured, backups configured for you, and PHP workers as well, especially for more intense front-end demanding sites. we can spin up a WordPress install for you in about a minute. Okay, so make sure that you are truly looking and honing in on your onboarding process to make sure that, again, you're delivering that quick onboarding experience. Creating urgency and dependency, right? Another important point. You manage and maintain your client sites. So by you providing them with that enhanced security, the steady updates, a reliable platform, all with great uptime, that makes it difficult for them to break up with you. That makes you sticky, right? And the more value you offer, the stronger your positioning you have with your client for valued services. This makes the next business conversation with your client much, much easier. Any questions so far, guys? No questions? All right, good. So last, we wanted to show you guys just a quick breakdown of our managed WordPress solution that delivers just about everything that we talked about, right? Caching, SSL, backups, the site updates and the site reporting. This is an average breakdown of what you can expect to spend per customer, and it will allow you to help determine what your overall profit margin is for a client, okay? So again, let's total up all the tools that you're using, right, to onboard your customers, and then how it breaks down here, okay? So just so you understand how these break down, this first plan, this is for a single client, right? So if you're just hosting a single client, there may be many reasons for this. If you talk with your partner team, we can help you figure out which applications this would be useful for. You're looking at essentially $29 for a client, right? As you move up to these larger plans, you can bring your overall per customer cost down all the way to $578. We even have plans that bring it down closer to $3 per customer, okay? So depending on your volume, that will greatly reduce the overall amount that you spend to maintain and help, serve out a customer site, all right? Again, we're all about helping our clients and partners improve and increase their margins, and we're more than happy to have a discussion on how we can help you accomplish that, okay? Any last minute questions around our per customer cost or anything regarding, our tool sets? Yeah, all right. I think we're all good, guys. So again, just wanted this to be a little bit thought-provoking for you, right? What are you truly spending? If you haven't taken the time to go through all your tool sets, through all your marketing costs, and totally add up what you're spending to acquire a customer, please do yourself a favor, right? Check it out, and then give us a call. Let us know if what you're using works best for you today, or if you're looking to have something maybe a little bit more streamlined, right? That's what we're here for. We're here to support our partners and to help you be the solid number one choice for your clients, okay? So again, I'm on our partner team, and we offer a lot of great incentives for our partners, okay? So if you haven't taken a look at our partner program, it's totally free. We're more than happy to have a chat to see if this is a good fit for you and your business and your teams and, of course, your clients, right? So you get access to a couple cool things like a dedicated partner account manager, right, as well as additional access to marketing content and sales and marketing support as well, all right? So again, if you guys haven't investigated the partner program on the web, do yourself a favor. Please do, okay? Thank you guys so much again for your time. This is Nathan Rodriguez and Shezvi Lepichelli, and hope to chat soon.